Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at TheTechTrader.com. It's Monday, August the 10th. These are the charts of the day. Well, it wasn't a great trading day on Wall Street. The markets pretty much did a consolidation day. There are stocks that moved, and I want you to see some of them. Biotech AbCellera had a big day as it broke about off through resistance and jumped from 7 to over 10, finishing 920. On the day, up 227, 33%. Heavy volume, 45 million. Looks to me like this is broken out and can extend, targeting 12 and 14. ACHR, which we put a swing on today after it broke this 5-wave decline, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave down. A long-term, I would say, 9 or 10-month decline, which saw a drop from the mid-teens into the low single digits. 430 was the low. Today, the breakout with big volume and a pullback gave us an opportunity to enter the stock. At this point, a move through the 715 area should get us to about 8.5 and then 9.5. HEQ, as I believe silver's broken out, you can see the HEQ broke through the moving average, through the declining comps line, and through lateral price resistance into this gap. I think the stock is headed for near 100. BFLY, after a pop and a falling wedge, held support and filled the gap. This is runs directly from 667 to today's high at 10.05. But it doesn't look done to me. I think we're going to $12. In the oil sector, CLMT is one of the outstanding stocks that we've observed in a while, having gone from 8 to the mid-40s, and yet look at today's action, jumping 572 at 15% and breaking out through a double top. I think we're headed for 50-52. FIG, which worried me for the last couple of days when it got hammered back to support, recovered beautifully today, going from 22.61 to 25.46 and finishing 25.27, up a couple points. The volume increased to about 25 million, 25.6, and I think we're headed to 31.32. Fastly, also a big day today, as it jumped from 22.40 to 28.09. It's trading in the upper end of that range at 27.63, up 467 or 20%. This resistance zone appears my target between 32 and 36. LFST broke out of a 1-month consolidation with a big spike as well, going from 10.75 to 12.43, trading 12.18 after hours, up 134 or 12%. Volume picked up. It's the best we've seen in a while. The OBVs confirming, I believe we're headed to 14. Low price NEOV, is building a beautiful base. After a 4-day run, it's sitting here for 3 days, consolidating in a flag. If it pops, looking for 3 3/4, 4.5, eventually 5 3/4. NESR with a big day. This explosive chart, which has gone all the way from 5 and change into the 30s, today exploded from 29.42 to 36.60, trading just under 36, up almost 7 points, about 24%. I believe this is headed higher, looking for 40.45. NXTC broke out of a wedge today. Not a lot of volume, but something I want to keep an eye on because it's right at resistance. And if it gets through here, we're headed to 10. Stay tuned. This should be a big one. REPL now sitting here for 6 days in a flag above resistance, a big engulfing reversal bar at that, and it closed at the highest level we've seen on this stock for a long time. So I would say at this point, looking for mid-teens, high teens. SLN with a huge day as well. Drug news went 12 to 21, pulled back, and now it's around 16, still up 4 today, or 33%. Looks to me like we might be headed towards mid-20s. SPCH and SPCU, both ETFs for SpaceX, continuing their advance off the lows. The SPCU up another 64 cents, almost 6%. Same with SPCH, up 47 cents, or about 5.6%. You can see that in this case, I'm looking for an extension to 11 and then 15 on SPCH. And SPC and SPCU targets of 16 and 21. And finally, UMAC, one of our swings, stuck its head out over resistance and closed there. I think it's going to extend. My targets are 30, 31, 34.5, and then eventually 40. And that's a look at some of the hot stocks at techtrader.com, folks. This is HB wishing you